Alright, what up? Whoa.
Whoa.
Alright, let's do a slow-mo picture. Smile, guys. And we all fall. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you some of our talents. Okay. Now Jaden's gonna go first.
Secret handshake.
Jaden's gonna go first. What is your talent, Jaden?
Nothing. I'm fast.
You're fast.
Okay.
Well,
let's see you run around the world and back here.
What? Not can't.
Ready?
That.
Go, Jaden! Go, Jaden! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There he comes. 6 seconds. 7 seconds. 8 seconds. Did you see that? 9 freaking seconds. Let's see if I can beat that. Count, Matthew. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. You want to see how fast I can go?
Go.
What? Do you want me to go again?
Go.
Do you want me to go again?
Alright, Micah's ready? I'm gonna go so fast. Hey guys. What's up? This is the greatest.
I know.
Whoa!
Let's do this like we're old school.
No, let's do our set handshake.
Alright guys, this is the best handshake ever. Watch. I actually fell.
Weird person.
I'm coming for your mommy and daddy, but all of your friends are not my mommy or daddy.
It's all red.
Okay, my babe. You should sing that. Sing it.
Alright guys, I have a rap for you. I can't rap because I sound like crap, and all my friends here just chilling while I rap. Everybody sucks, but I rock. That's why I got a big cock at the thrift shop. When I listen to that song every day, I rock and I rock and I to the day. But hey, I got Matthew and Jay, but it's all okay, cause we chillin' today. Hey, and then my sister over there chillin' like a boss, but she beatboxing like a boss. Then there's one of the friends that's shy, but I don't care, cause she's gonna die. Deuces! JK. Sing it. Let me sing it? Okay. I know your mother! Sing it. It wasn't recording this whole time.